Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to bulk update your images using AdLister. Once logged into AdLister, head over to the Products section. Let's say you have 5 products and you need to assign the same images to those products. You need to highlight those 5 products and click on the Edit Products dropdown. Once clicked on the Edit Products dropdown, please select the 6th option, which is Images. As you can see, this took you to a new page where you can see the titles of those 5 products, and from here, you have the option to choose the images from your AdLister gallery. Click on the Browse button and select the desired images. Once done with the image selection, please scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you can save the changes and go back onto the products page, or you can save and revise to update the images on the live listings. Once revised successfully with the images option, you can have a look at your live listings to check if the new images are showing up. I hope this video helped you in understanding how to bulk update images on your products using AdLister. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.